Uh, Top of the world, top of the bag, y'all, man. So this is me. I'm going to explain what I've been doing because I've been getting a lot of questions from the people I love, and the people I know about what I've been doing. So look, basically, I'm trading, right? And trading comes in a lot of forms. You could trade stocks, you could trade bonds, you could trade a whole lot of stuff. But I trade futures, and I'm gonna basically break it down real quick of everything I do. So trading, in a sense, is like, so I'm gonna just say, trading ain't predicting nothing. It's a business. You setting up where the money is already moving. So price don't move because somebody's smart. It moves because somebody got stuck. And I'm gonna show you the logistics of basically what that means. And what you're trading are futures. A future is just a deal that two people agree on today's price for tomorrow's move. You don't own the product. You're just renting the risk. That's why it moves fast. Fast money in, fast money out. And as you can see in the picture, you're betting on today's price for tomorrow, whether it's up or down. That's all it is. It's just an agreement that price is going to go up or to down today. And you're agreeing on that with a broker. And we could get into that, but that's what this is. And I'm gonna basically break down my strategy and show you a couple of trades of how it all went down. And this is what I do. So just remember, trading is just an agreement that you're making for today, for tomorrow's prices. Today's price ain't tomorrow's price. Meaning, without getting it for it now, I'm thinking it's gonna go down or up. And that all comes with analysis and everything else. So, let's get to it. Know the vibe. Billionaire thoughts, top of the world, top of the bag. Alright, y'all. So about to get into this. As you can see, my chart is already set up, so can't show you how I set it up. But as you watch, you notice I get an alert. I'm watching NASDAQ, but I get an alert for gold. So I switch to gold. And as you can see, I'm checking to see my levels on gold. Because I was watching NASDAQ. On the left, as you can see, is NASDAQ. On the right, I switched to gold. So now I'm watching gold. I'm watching gold to see. I have an alert, like I said, it's in my area, point of interest, and I want to see what's going on. So now I'm checking the time frame, higher time frame, going back and forth to see. Now I'm looking for a confirmation. I'm looking for confirmation. This is where you do your due diligence and see. I'm looking to see if any liquidity was taken. I'm looking to see any highs, lows was taken. There's certain things I'm looking for. Also, you can't hear or see, but I use order flow. So I'll be able to talk about it. That's why later on I'll be able to make a decision off of order flow. So as you can see, I'm checking, I'm seeing, I'm looking, I'm thinking about buys. I'm thinking about buys, and I just need a confirmation, and I'm in. Waiting. I'm in. I'm in buys. Now I want you to see how I manage this, and let's see. As you can see, I'm in red, and it's gone. I'm in the trade. My stop loss is right below that fair value gap. And you got a little movement. And now I'm just watching. Like I said, I'm also watching auto flow. Auto flow / Bookmap. For those who don't know, I'll be able to tell you about that. But I'm watching auto flow and Bookmap while I'm doing this. So as you can see, you're getting a pullback. Price is coming back. getting a deep pullback. Stay in the trade, it is what it is. Get stopped out, you get stopped out. But I'm watching order flow. Now here goes another thing. Once I see that it flicks back, like I said, I'm watching order flow. I see that it flicks back. We go back green, and then I get another pullback. Watch what I do. This is where I finessed it. I said, all right, order flow with structure. On this pullback, if I get a flick, I'm in another buy. So now I'm about to manage it. I'm watching order flow. I see buyers coming in. Now I'm about to manage it. I take my first stop loss and I put it to the last candle. Confirm. Now I'm locked in profit, and I move my other one. I'm locked in profit. As you can see, we up 1,300. Oh, it's pushing. I'm watching order flow though. That wick, buyers got trapped. I don't trust it. I can't take this pullback because I'm in drawdown. I'm good. Now I'm gonna show you what happens when things could go bad. So that was that trade, y'all, right? Now, let's go. We went from good, bad to great. So now, I'm back on NASDAQ. Mind you, I already have my level set up. And I'm watching. I see something. And, we're gonna see how it play out. I have my board set up a little different things. Certain people, I look at some different things, Once again, I'm watching order flow. As you can see, I'm prepping. If I get what I'm looking for, I'm in. Watching order flow. As you can see, I'm in this trade. I am in the trade. And I'm already up 200. It's pushing. I'm going for them highs. It's pushing. 400. It's pushing. And I also made a mistake. I made my stop loss. I never make my stop loss that far back without knowing the price. This is where I'm still perfecting it, y'all. My stop loss is far because of my entry, and my price was different. So I didn't notice that I put up that amount. I risked that amount. So as you can see, I went up from plus 400 to, as we can see, we're gonna watch this. This was ugly, but this was my fault. I should have took that, and I'll explain why later, because I knew what was gonna happen. As you can see, I let my trades play out. I let them play out. I probably should have cut my losses. Sometimes I get frustrated too. Like, I get aggravated and I just fuck. Remember, I'm watching auto flow. I knew this. My setup is for sales today. My setup was for sale today, but I'm gonna go into why what changed my trajectory was because of when I took the buys. I got the alert for gold, and then now your mindset. So now I'm going back to my order flow, back to my original strategy, and I see my setup. It was already in zone. I go straight into sales. I see what it was. I see what it was doing. I'm straight into sales. No hesitation. I knew I was wrong. I shouldn't have been in buys, and if I was, I should have got out. So now I'm in the cells. I want you to see how I play this out. Me in the cells. I'm watching auto flow. Structure is set up down. I have my other confluences. So I'm pretty confident in this trade. If it goes past fair value, I would get out. I would get out. Oh, another thing, I almost slipped up in here too because I was moving so fast that I freaking forgot to put my stop loss. But as you can see, I got into sales and I seen the pullback and I put another sell in. I seen the pullback. I'm watching auto flow. Remember, I'm only doing this with the confluence of auto flow. This is not me just jumping into, I'm watching auto flow. And as also you can see, I got the DOM. I'm watching auto flow DOM. I have my confluences. I did not just jump into this trade. I still need some type of discipline though. Like we could speak about that, but this is what I'm doing. I'm watching auto flow. Auto flow. Watching the DOM. Go to the 15. Check my higher time frame. Everything is set up. I'm good. Structure is broke. Change your character. Now let me just eye this real quick. I am watching auto flow, y'all. I am watching auto flow. I'm up 2 bands. That's 2 grand. That's 2,300. I'm watching auto flow. See the DOM? Right, stalled out. As you can see, it got out of there, 2,300. Price is overextended. Auto flow is showing me heavy buying pressure. I got out of there just in time. Just in time, as you can see. See that candle? But